Alright, now we went through the setup for this Ring video. Doorbell. To get it connected, you just need to press this button right here on the back. And then this Ring starts flashing white. And then you connect it to the Ring app. And then you connect it to your Wi-Fi. And then you can use Amazon Alexa to control it, or the Ring app. But yeah, and then here, since I live in an apartment, here's the mounting brackets. Kind of went pretty much on real easy. I might not do 4 just because I'm probably gonna be moving out of this place, so it's not permanent. But yeah, here it is. It's real easy to just screw them in, and this way. Yeah, and I'm getting a notification on it's got the motion detector, so every time it just notices a face, it just kind of pops up with a notification like, hey, there's somebody. So it's going to be pretty cool. It should. And then, yeah, let's just go ahead and mount it. And then, okay, it's supposed to mount it like this, so I don't want it to fall. Okay, I got it the right way. Okay. Huh. Okay, those 2 go right there. Huh. But then, interesting, since it's just so easily removable, in a way somebody could also almost like steal your Ring camera because it's not really, tied down, or unless, okay, you got the screws right here, you can kind of securely mount it. But yeah, since mine, I'm gonna be using mine where I can charge it up. I don't think I want it to be that secure because I'm not running a wire doing the whole setup, and yeah. Okay, we'll figure this out. But anyway, we got it set up. I got it on the app. Now we're just gonna yep, and is it showing that the notification? So it's pretty cool, and it's got a decent 1080p camera on it. It's got that kind of fisheye lens view, but then it's kind of pointed towards the street, so I don't know if it's gonna be reacting every time like a parked car goes by or something. That's gonna be interesting. Man, we are gonna mount it, and then we're gonna do a review sometime within the next 2 weeks. I'll be at work and hopefully checking in because my Wi-Fi should be connected at all times. But yeah, trying out tech, doing a lot of unboxing on this channel. Yeah, if there's anything you'd like to know, definitely leave a comment in the description below, and catch y'all on the next one. Peace.